My beloved child, I see your weariness, the weight of what has been lost pressing upon your heart. Hear me now. I will restore all that was taken from you, not in part, but in full. What the enemy stole, what time eroded, what circumstances stripped away, I will redeem it. I am the God of restoration, and my promise to you is unshakable. You may feel broken now, but I am piecing together something far greater than you can imagine. Every tear, every setback, every moment of despair is being woven into a story of triumph. Trust in my timing, for I do not delay without purpose. I know the ache of empty places, the relationships that fractured, the dreams that faded, the hope that dimmed. But I am breathing life into dead places. Where there was lack, I will bring abundance. Where there was shame, I will clothe you in dignity. Where there was silence, I will fill your mouth with songs of joy. I am not merely mending what was broken, I am upgrading your portion. What was meant to harm you, I will turn for your good. The enemy thought he had the final word, but I'm writing your comeback story. You wonder, when, Lord, how long must I wait? My child, the process is as important as the promise. In the waiting, I am strengthening your faith. In the uncertainty, I am deepening your trust. I am not just restoring things. I am restoring you. Your heart, your vision, your joy. The scars you carry will become testimonies, and the battles you fought will become altars of victory. I am aligning every broken piece, and when the time is right, you will stand in awe of what I have done. Do not cling to the past. It cannot compare to what I am preparing. The latter glory of your life will outshine the former. I am opening doors no one can shut, reviving dreams you thought were dead and connecting you with divine appointments. Your season of loss is ending, and your season of recompense has come. Walk in expectation. Speak in faith. The enemy's theft stops now. I am issuing a divine reversal, and when the restoration comes, you will know it was me. Not luck, not coincidence, but my hand. You will look back and say, God did this. So lift your head, my child. Your breakthrough is not a matter of if, it is a matter of when. I am faithful, and I will do it. Hold on, your restoration is already on the way.